We are live. You think? Actually, no, I'm not sure. Why is there no picture? There it is. Oh my god. Okay. Here we go. What am I gonna do? Do. The black doesn't even fit. Wait, is that just a? Oh, okay. Hello, hello. Oh, that's why. Hey, buddy. Chemical Stairs, Queen Crab, Maddie, Ash, and then is that Sam? I think. Chitoyu? I don't remember everybody's duplicate names. Tony, hello. Tony Martin, hello. I'm doing well. Deepa, hello. Catch you live 6 p.m. here. Oh, good. Okay. Well, it's 9 a.m. for me. So I've got this Stray Kids Project Festival video. I recorded it, edited. The last step is for me to do the thumbnail, and I was having a real hard time coming up with an idea for a thumbnail. So I wanted to actually kind of be catchy enough or clickbaity enough that people would actually watch it. And so I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. I was thinking about images of Stray Kids or something. So if anybody's got any great ideas, great concepts for a thumbnail for that video, I would love to hear it. Otherwise, I'm just start searching for Stray Kids photos, probably, or maybe Tomorrowland photos. I talk about in the script. I talk about Stray Kids performing at Tomorrowland as kind of the idea or the goal, as well as getting an album out of them. But maybe I could just use a Tomorrowland. Just use Tomorrowland. Well, I'll search for images of Tomorrowland and then see what see if anything's useful. Tomorrowland Disney. Duo photos of pictures of solo performances at the concerts. Oh, Queen Crab. Okay. You with laser and strobe light. Diva, that's pretty good. Or, well, maybe that would work. Because if I had like if I had a crazy Tomorrowland concert image, of which there are many, then I could put something like my Hio, hello. I could put something like lasers on my eyes and stuff, but I'm a diehard Skids fan. I got you. Thank you, Queen Crab. Shall we have a proposal list of songs? Oh, that's a good. Yes, we should have that. I think we. Oh, I did do that. That was one of the original ideas. I had a live a long time ago where we were talking about like tactics of what we should do, like message Stray Kids on Bubble and reach out to other creators. And I think in that live we talked about different songs that people wanted to see, but I did not include that list in the video itself because I was trying to keep the video like smaller or shorter, I guess. What if I did it like this? Okay, so here's a Tomorrowland image. I gotta scale this big enough so. I mean, this to me looks like Tomorrowland, right? Atis, first time catching me live. Awesome, welcome. Pictures of Chan with the soundboard. What's it called, a DJ thing? Oh, okay, I'm upstairs. Yeah, I got you. Okay. Except less fire. Put SKZ on such. Yeah, Diva, I think that's what I might do. I think I might take this image or something like it, and then if I can find concert video or concert photos of Stray Kids, and then I can put them in here, but that might be, it might be kind of small. But I could put text on the thumbnail too that says like, that captures the idea. It might say like Stray Kids performing at Tomorrowland or something, so people will get it. Because if this is like a thumbnail on your phone, you're gonna see it like that. It's gonna be tiny, and so I don't know if I can get Stray Kids. Well, let's just keep going. All right, so I'm gonna search for Stray Kids concert and images of them like performing. Unless I could do it a different, I don't know. That's very nice. Your face with lasers and strobe lights. I do like that idea. I can zoom into the stage, yeah. For photos, really, you just have to find the diehard fans or editors. Less public, more stage. Oh, good point. Good point. Yeah. So this is gonna have to be bigger anyway, right? So something like that, maybe. And then I could try to. So I mean, this is the DJ, whoever that was in this photo. I could erase that person and then try to put them like they're up here in the little area. So if I can find a photo of them, that'll... Ooh, that might work. What if I did that? That's almost... This might actually work. It's kind of low resolution, but let me borrow this real quick. Oops. Wait, how do I... Oh, here we go. All right, if I do this. Okay, so we got a little trick here. Remove background. It should take them all out. Zoop. Okay, so the color is all wrong, and then I'll have to make them... You know what, maybe if they were this large though, I'm gonna go back to the Tomorrowland. Maybe I can get a better picture of a Tomorrowland stage, and then those something that's more like a close-up of like where the DJs or the performers are actually sitting or standing or whatever, and then I could put them in there. That might be better. That shot might be just too far away. All right, I'm looking. I need like a close-up. No, that's not gonna work. It's the problem with these Tomorrowland photos. They're all shot from so far away. All right, maybe I gotta search for Tomorrowland stage. Close-up. Getting there. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe festival. You can hide their silhouette though. They have festival version songs. Yeah, they do have festival version. There's festival version of Ceremony. That's how this whole idea started. Oh, this sucks. Everything I'm getting is so far away. Oh no. Well, I might just have to like res this stuff up. I think my software can do it, but it just won't look as good. Damn it. All right, let me see if I can find something that's usable. Maybe this one. No, that one's even smaller than the other one. Damn it. All right, hold on. Shoot, where was that one I took? Not that one. Not that one. There we go. Okay, trying something new here. So if I do this, oops, sorry. Open with. Okay. So I'm gonna try to res up this one a bit. Let's see if this does it well or not. It's probably gonna be a little bit blurry when I zoom in, but that's fine. It's gonna be. That's the challenge with the thumbnails is you can't have super detailed stuff, otherwise it just won't even be visible. Okay, so like, oh, you can't even tell what that is. But now it's a gigantic photo. Yeah, it's got it all like, ugh, God, that looks like crap. All right, I don't know, I'm struggling already. The struggle is real. I'll watch video. All right, see you, Queen Crap. From the Get Lit music video, you can get a screenshot of 3 ratchet behind a mixing board. Get Lit music video? Ash? Let's check that out. Get Lit. Oops, Lit. Okay, I've never seen that video. I don't know if I don't think I even know that song. Okay, so I'm just watching a little preview of that Get Lit music video. Okay, I'm just waiting for the scene where there's a, where it's them. Looking. Yeah, maybe I'll... Oh, wait a second. Is that it? Oh, there we go. There we go. God, that's really quick. Oh, Ash. Yeah, this might work. That's a great idea. Okay, I'm finding, like, the exact... I'm trying to find the exact second where there's a good view of it. Okay, maybe this will work. Let's try it. Okay, Ash, here we go. Here's a shot from that video. It's a great idea. All right, so this kind of like, maybe like that. I can make this bigger so everybody can see it, but I mean, I guess it kind of looks like that. What do you think? I mean, it looks like they're writing stuff. I mean, that's fine. It's close enough. Like, you get the idea that there's like a microphone and all this gear here and a keyboard. So maybe that would work. Hi, Kate. Damn it, I'm out of coffee. There's a shot like that also from Top Line Performance with Tiger. Wait, JK? Is that, you're kidding? Because I could... Maybe this will work. Because if I just add the text... where did that go? So if I had text in here... I remember this is going to be viewed like that size or something, right? When people actually see it. So if I had text in here like Stray Kids, what, like perform? Well, actually, I don't know if I want to say that. Well, maybe I do. Because the original idea in the video talks about convincing them to make an album. And then maybe if they did that, they'd be able to perform at like festivals like Tomorrowland and stuff. So just want to make sure that the thumbnail actually fits like the content of the video. Edit 40, we're not sure if it would get copyrighted. Oh, Deepa, thumbnails, like from my experiences, you can pretty much do anything in thumbnails. Like there's never a copyright issue with a thumbnail, at least not that I've run into, and I've used a ton of photos of, you know, Stray Kids specifically. But good looking out. Should I just call it Stray Kids Festival album? I mean, that's what we want, right? Because then it kind of looks like maybe they're working on it. Maybe that's the vibe here. So we want more like, have them kind of centered. I like the red hat here in the center because your eye kind of goes there. So I just want to bring that down a smidge. All right, so maybe I'll just do some wordplay as possible. Addis, yeah, let's wordplay the crap out of this thing. Give me some ideas. Oh, let's do this. Whoops. Okay. Festival. I catch a lot of new viewers. They may see it as an announcement or news story. Oh, shoot. Well, Deepa, yeah, that's a good point. I don't want to like. You're right, because that could mean this is like super clickbaity looking, and I don't want that. Because like what I could say is like, I'm begging Stray Kids like for a festival album, something like that, to make it a little more like this isn't real, like this is an idea. Because I'll get, yeah, if I position it as an actual thing that's happening, I'll get, yeah, this video will get like blocked or something for like clickbait or some shit. I don't know. I'm begging Stray Kids. Oh, here we go. So if I put that, oops, for a festival, I'll make this wider. Where'd it go? Okay. So this kind of looks like crap right now, but anyway, if that's the concept, then maybe this could move up. If I have the text down here, so it's not. Oh, SKZ, yeah. Nice. That might be too much text in there too, though, but I'll turn these off. Alright, so this needs to be down a bit. Right, so if it's that, like, small, but, I don't know. I don't know, maybe I need to change that font. Beirut. Oh wait, what was the one I actually... Okay, I like this because it's so bold. Maybe that'll actually show up. I don't know why I capitalized festival right there. This might be too hard to read. Yeah. Or I could just, I'm gonna take the I'm just trying to begging SKZ for a festival album. Something like that might work. I think that font. I like the boldness, but it's still a little difficult to read. I'm gonna do something boring. It's gotta be interesting. And then if I get this done, this is the last step, basically. So like I said, the video is already done. It's in YouTube, hidden. It's not visible on my page yet. But once I get this done, this thumbnail is just the last step, and so then I'll make the video public, and maybe we could just do a little live viewing of it, if you want, because that's not copyrighted. It's just me talking, so no issue with like copyright or getting my stream shut down or any of that stuff. I don't know. What do we think of that font? I don't know if I like that or not. Should probably put not that. Where do we go here? Begging SKZ for a festival. Oh, if it's red, it should be. Oops. I don't know. Kind of a boring thumbnail, I think, but. Work. So then begging SKZ for a festival album, and where did I go? What did I do? Hang on, I forgot what I titled the actual video. So the pairing of the title and then the text or the thumbnail, right, should be not compatible, but like support each other. So if I have begging SKZ for a festival album, and then the title of the video is actually the one that people voted for on the poll on my page. The title of the video is Let's Get Stray Kids an EDM Festival Album. So I think those go together well. SKZtival. Oh, I like that, Addis. That's good. Yeah, this needs to be, I need to change this font. Oops. Let's see what else. No, that's too hard to read. I love Rubik. God damn. So hard. All right, we're into the junk right there. So Rubik, I know at least has some like bold and stuff. So maybe do black italic. Or yeah, let me do this. I'm just gonna try one of these in all caps. Oops. Begging SKZ. Oops, SKZ for a. Alright, so if it, put that up here. Is there any way to? So festival album needs to be on one line. It's kind of hard to read. Maybe this could be a little smaller then. And then the line height needs to be a little bit bigger. But you know, sometimes I do these thumbnails and I think they don't look good, and then they seem to work well, like people click them a lot. So the other thing is I can do a test. So YouTube lets you upload 1, 2, or 3 different thumbnails for any video, and then it'll test those thumbnails. It'll show it to certain people, and the one that gets clicked on the most is the one that it'll then show to everybody. So I might have to do a couple versions. SKZ, God, that's so good. I guess I could put my face in there. I guess I could put my face in there, but I feel like if this goes out, if this video is recommended to people who don't know my channel at all, that's the question, is they won't know who I am, so it doesn't really matter. I think that showing these guys here are like instantly recognizable for anybody who knows Stray Kids, right? What if my epic? Oh, SKZ? Yeah. I don't think it's half-baked. SKZ. Where would I don't know where to use it. Addis. I mean, they could name it SKZ if we had like suggestions of what they could call it. SKZ. Maybe I should have the little like little praying hands in here. No, it's too hard to read. Or God, what's another way I can just lay this out? Or just shorten the words. Do I need... I could take SKZ out. Begging for a festival album. Or I could say please, like please make a festival album. Something like that. Because people are going to know it's Stray Kids. Because I don't care... The target audience, right, is people who know Stray Kids. So I don't think I need to... if I have a photo of them, I don't need to say their name, I don't think. Because people who know them are going to understand that. So I'm trying to make the text shorter to make it a little more like impactful. Why is that weird? Like, please make a festival album. I don't know. I guess the shorter words would be better. So I'm, all right, I just gotta start trying stuff. Like, please make. Like, what if this was all on one line? And then I could try doing it like... I don't think this is going to work. But, so if I hide that one... I'm just trying to think like where else I can put this. Again, like... Maybe this needs to be different. Please. Or I could say like request festival album, or please make a festival album. So if I do it like this, maybe... All right, let's try some stuff here. Take that out. Oops. So if I do it like this, then I can at least maybe make this a little bit smaller, just to see if it's a little more visually interesting. So please make isn't the hook. It's more like... Okay, now we're getting somewhere. So I like this already more than it just going across the whole thing. Now, is this... I'm just trying to play with the positioning and stuff a little bit just to see if I can, like, please make a festival album. Like that. So I can say, like, now I'm going back on what I just said. I can say, Skiz, please. No, that looks weird. I don't like that. Maybe it's just over here. Please make a festival album. I don't know. God, this is... Oh, festival album, please. Oh, God. All right. Nice one. Chemical stairs. All right, so let's take this off. Actually, I'm just going to do... Well... No, you're right. You're right. You're right. You're right. You're right. Oops. Okay. That's so smart. Because then I can have this 3-line kind of deal that I like. This actually kind of works because it almost seems like they're all looking at this, which would be cool. So maybe... oh, no, I should do the contrasting color. So maybe the yellow of the shirt I could do. So maybe like this, like a bright... No, that's not yellow enough. Or orange, or whatever color this shirt is. There we go. There we go. A little bit of balance. So you got this like red coming in, like almost like your eye starts with all this red right here, and then you've got this kind of goldish color. Or hopefully your eye is going to spend some time. All right. That's a great idea. Put a little stroke in there. Probably black is too dark. No. Do that red? I don't know if I like that. Maybe just a tiny bit. Oh, all these little... Oops. Yeah, now it's... Okay. I don't know if I like it. I like the positioning of the text. I don't like the colors. So we're going to try... Oops. God, this thing. Sometimes this piece of software really, really bothers me. Did I not do it here? Where did I do that? Did I do that over here instead? Oh, I did. Oh. Okay. So maybe we need the blue. Oh, no, that fades out too much. If I make it darker. No, that's not working. It's got to be lighter. Oh man, it's tough. It's tough because you've got all this like dark color over here and then this light color, and it's hard to find like a middle ground. Maybe I can just gradient it. All right, let's do I'm thinking radial gradient. What do you guys think? So, alright, so let's do this. Let's do a gradient. We'll do, oops, radial. And then we can try these. Well, first I'll try the colors that are in the image and see if that works. If that goes like red to... Where's that orange? There's like a nice orange over here. There we go. Okay, so if I do this, and then I should be able to play with this a little bit. Okay, so that kind of works with the red on the bottom left. But what about red up here? I don't think oh, sorry, I should zoom in so you guys can all see this. I think I like it this way. I think I like red on this side, and then it fades. Because then you've got this kind of red on the left, and then it fades into the goldish orange. I don't know. All right, what do we think? Did you think you got the guy who SKZ collab with for the hip version of Ceremony? Because Plan B could be to create a mixtape of other musicians. Ash, no, I have not. I have not checked out the account of the guy who collabed with Stray Kids on the hip version of Ceremony. I would like to though, so I do like that. Joe, hello. An accident. Much better. It looks good. Okay. I think I'm okay. Let me try one more. Well, a couple more things. Let me try turning the stroke off and see what that does. No, I like having the stroke on. It just pops a tiny bit more. And then I think maybe the shadow could be a little bit larger just to make it stand out a bit more. Just want to make it dark. I want to make it look like it's popping off the screen. Maybe like that, a little sharper. Okay, we're getting close. Real close. Is that easier to read if I space the letters a little bit? Kind of like that, I think. It's not quite. I should have checked my my margins here, see if they're roughly the same. Okay, that looks pretty good. Okay, how we think? Like it? Like it? Space the letters so the L on the festival is almost at Han's arm. Oh, so you meant... Okay. I see what you're saying. So almost over here. So like that? Like that? I kind of like... I like it a little bit like this. I just like the separation of the white here. Between, so it doesn't look like this, I don't know, orange or gold or whatever is like blended right in. I kind of like this downward like angle and then an edge with the white. Let's see either way. This would be better, a bit closer together. Yeah, how do we feel? How do we think about that? What do you think? Okay, so that could be version 1. Or, question, does anybody want to watch that video right now? I can play it right now. Anybody? Yes. Okay. Let's do this. So I had it all set up just in case. So first, I'm going to pause the background music. Okay, paused that. Now, pause that. If I take this away, boop, I had it all set up. Okay, so this this video is hidden on my channel at the moment. And so now that I have the thumbnail, I'll upload the thumbnail and then I can make this video public. But yeah, so I'll just play it right now. So you guys get a little sneak peek. Here we go. Let me know if I already set up the volume, but let me know if it needs to be louder or whatever. But here we go. Stay. You know the feeling. The lights cut out. Okay, I think it's already too quiet, right? Let me turn that up a little bit. Just a smidge. Okay, here we go. Start again. You know the feeling. The lights cut out. The bass drops. 50,000 people scream. And Stray Kids walk onto a Tomorrowland stage with a festival remix of God's Menu. That's the dream we're fighting for. That's the SKZ EDM album we deserve. and the demand for it is already here. So look at the proof. Millions of streams on Chick Chick Boom Festival version, the Ceremony Festival version, the Hooray version. These aren't just side tracks, they're fan favorites that consistently stream like singles. So I'm calling this SKZ Project Festival. It's not a pipe dream, it's the next movement. And in the next couple minutes, you'll know exactly what to do to make JYP and Stray Kids create this album. Stay is a force. We all felt it after Ceremony Festival version was released. It should have been a whole album. At least that's what I thought. The demand is here, but now it's time to make that demand even louder. So remember what Stay has already done together. Trended hashtags worldwide, broken YouTube records when people said it was impossible, put SKZ on the global charts that no one predicted. And we've proven them wrong every single time. So imagine it, a full album curated and remixed by the members, giving Stray Kids a whole new platform to dominate the global festival stage. SKZ Project Festival, 6 steps to make it real. So here's a simple 6-step strategy to make Stray Kids and JYP see the demand. Use the hashtag SKZ Project Festival everywhere. So that'll be the official hashtag we'll use. So tag your friends and start sharing all of your SKZ posts on social media with that hashtag. Go to Spotify and YouTube and build playlists titled SKZ Festival Album Wishlist. So fill them with any official remix or high quality fan edit you can find. Just make sure the title is searchable, and so when thousands of these playlists appear, it becomes undeniable data for JYP and Stray Kids. So what I think would help is to make this album look real. So share your fan art, edits, concept trailers, and covers. Tag JYP with your visual proof. And I think if enough high quality content exists, then JYP has to imagine it being a real album. Another option is to message Stray Kids on Bubble, respectfully, of course, just stating the request and maybe even using that hashtag. So we're presenting a business case here, not just a fan wish. So if you're part of a bigger Stray Kids fan group or know Stray Kids creators, reach out to them, but thoughtfully, right? So we're building a movement, not a spam campaign, but I think if enough stays reach out to those people with respect, they'll notice, and that's when this spreads beyond us and beyond just this channel. And then finally, I think we could pick a single day to launch a massive social push. So drop your ideas for a single day in the comments below, and then we can coordinate to make the most impact. If all of us post on a single day, maybe they'll notice. It's your move, Stay. This video is just a spark, but Stay, you guys are the fire, right? So you've always been the reason Stray Kids broke barriers that nobody thought possible. And here's your to-do item. So right now, before you click off, just pick one of those actions from the list. Do it soon, like today or tomorrow, because you never know, in a day or two, maybe thousands of other stays will have done the same thing, and that's how this movement starts. SKZ Project Festival. Let's show the world again that Stay is a force.
Stray Kids everywhere, all around the world. Stray Kids everywhere, all around the world. Stray Kids everywhere, all around the world. Hit you with that, hit you with that.
Okay. That's it. All right, let me go back. Oops. There we go. So turn this back on. Boop. Okay, let me turn this back on. Boop. All right. Let's do it. That was great. Awesome. Well, I'm glad you enjoyed it. It's stressed me out trying to put that together. And I don't know if it's going to actually work. Right? I don't know if anything's going to ever happen from doing that video, but it's fun to take a chance, right? It just took some time. And so we'll see. We'll see what happens. Can't hurt trying. Exactly. I mean, why not try? Right? I mean, I don't care. It's fun to make videos like this that are like, well, this and like the SKZ cookies and then the Valentine's, made the Valentine's. Doing all these weird types of videos that are related to music and stuff are super fun. So Chan is always watching. Yeah, maybe Chan will see it. Yeah, who knows? You never know. But I think this thumbnail is probably pretty good. I don't know if I want to try one with my face on it or not. Like, this will definitely be version number 1. And I think I might just... Okay, let's do this. I'm going to do group. So this would be like... This would be like version 1. And I might just go with this one. Shane probably has tons of remixes, so if it reaches him, he might work on it. Yeah, that's true. I think I have it realistically, it's not 0. That's true. Yeah, I mean, that's the whole point, is convincing other fans to get involved and see if we can actually impact them, which would be just wild. I can't even imagine what would happen if that worked. And it's all because I'm greedy, right? I just want the music. I don't care. Like, if there's some other bigger creator who takes the idea and makes it their own and they start it or whatever, then good for them. All I care about is getting a record from them. Some of the members have admitted to watching fan edits. Oh, interesting, Maxident. Okay. Well, hopefully they watch more. But yeah, it's the first step. Well, let me just... I don't even know if I want to put my face in this one, honestly. I don't know if that's going to improve. I don't think that's going to help. Because people who are subscribed to me, they'll get a notification. I'm also going to probably write a post saying, hey, this video's out. And so you should check it out or whatever. So I'm probably not going to use my face. Yeah. We got this. Nobody can stop stay. That's right. This really does work, but from another creator taking the idea, you should just take care of it for being the person to think about. Maxident, yeah, I don't know. I don't care. I don't care. I mean, I'm not doing this because I want the credit. I just want the music. So if somebody else took it and just... Well, and it's also like, I only have so much reach, right? There's, 14,000 subscribers I have who might see it. Not everybody's going to watch it. So it's going to need help. It's going to need a lot more, I don't know, visibility from all of the, not all, a lot of Stray Kids fans or other creators who start talking about it. So it's fine. Maybe put a picture of Ollie. The to-do list in the thumbnail? Yeah, I don't know. I like the idea of just using photos of them because that's going to be the most like instantly recognizable part of it. And I think that's going to get Stray Kids fans to click versus showing a list of to-dos. like click this video and I'm going to give you some like task. This kind of ceremony was certainly something that was never exciting. I don't know. Maybe their next comeback title will be Skiztival. The sound is very different from... So I think I'm going to... Yeah, I'm just going to do this. It's 9, it's almost 10. Well, anyway, that was my goal today, is to get this done. So now that I can get it done, I'm just going to edit and probably make this video live for everybody to see. Right? I think the edit is good enough. I don't think I have to do anything else. And that might be it. Well, that might be it, gang. I think it's going to be a short live today because I achieved my one goal, creating this thumbnail, and then I'm going to upload this and make that video live, like, immediately. So we can start this thing. Off topic. Have you ever reacted to one Wii? Maxident, no. That name does sound familiar, but no, I have not listened to one Wii. I assume that's how you say it. I assume that's how you say it. But yeah, all right. I think that's going to do it then. I'm going to shut this down. So Thanks everybody for helping me with the thumbnail. I really appreciate that. I was stuck. So thank you. And then in a few minutes, you'll see this video go live. And then we can do this. We can get this thing started. Oh, Addis, you said a tiny concert photo of them in the corner, maybe for another version. Yeah, I guess I could try different versions of, or different photos of them, but we'll see. Looks neat. Okay. All right, gang. I'm going to shut it down. So thank you for watching. And I will see you next time.